3 off of jump shots.
Shit.
3 off of jump shots.
First, if we're shooting for rock, I'm hitting that, and I'm hitting and I'm pulling right away. I know what it is.
Hey, all right. So look, who starts off with ball?
Who
starts off with the ball?
Hello.
What do you mean? If I'm shooting for rock, I have to.
Oh, okay. You said you're shooting for rock. All right. If you miss, if I get ball first, you're not getting it ever. You're not getting it. I'm taking you off the drip, bro.
I'm saying you're a demon, but I'm giving you at least 4 though. Just know that. All right.
Bro, I'm pulling, bro. As soon as this quarantine shit go away, I'm pulling up, bro. I'm pulling up.
Hey, that's that. You know what?
No cap.
I'm done talking. I'm getting off live right now. All right. Pull up. Done. So.
All right, I'm at you.
Love.
See Kobe Cash. I'm about to be there and take pics. Facts. All right, I'm off this game.